All right, awesome. Thanks so much for having me. I'm Yev, founder of Jolt. We have 2 minutes, so let's get into it. At a high level, Jolt is an AI coding tool that helps engineers ship code faster. We're designed specifically for existing medium and large code bases. Jolt can go through, modify over 10 files, and write over 1,000 lines of code in one task. It's really great at picking up and matching your existing patterns and conventions. And whether you're using chat or the code gen, we always have full code base context. And you're probably wondering, okay, there's a lot of AI coding tools out there. Where does Jolt fit into the picture? And you can think of it as the first step in a coding task. So let's say you're an engineer, you get a task assigned to you. First, you run it through Jolt to do the bulk of the coding. And then after that, you do the last mile of coding manually in your IDE or use something like Cursor or Copilot. Then once you're done with that, finalize the code, test it, and create a branch and submit the PR. So for the example today, I'll show you how we're going to add a Slack webhook integration to an existing code base. It's a mono repo, so in the front end, we want to add that Slack webhook URL to team settings, and on the back end, we want to update all of the types and models, and we'll create a new notification service that we can hit. So I'm going to skip straight to the implementation plan step for the sake of time, but usually it would take about 60 to 80 seconds. So what Jolt does before going straight to the code is it'll create this file-by-file implementation plan that tells you, all right, this is how Jolt is going to approach the task and what it's going to do, almost like pseudocode in every file. So you can see here it went through maybe a dozen or so files, and the plan is totally editable. So if Jolt is doing something you don't want or you had a different idea in mind, you can change it, you can add files, remove files, etc. So just think of this as the game plan for the task. And then once you're ready, you hit that write code button, and you can preview all the code changes directly in browser. I'm going to jam through this.
Wow. It even did the right code for the glue.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much, Chev.